Hi guys, it's Handyman again. Today I'll be showing you how to put a battery in this heater, and it's got this button here. You have to turn it anti-clockwise to open it. So you turn it anti-clockwise, keep on turning it until it comes out. So it just come out now. So this battery is basically doesn't work now. It takes a AA battery, so I'm going to replace it with a new one. All you do is turn it back to clockwise until it's tight. That's it, that's all there is. Now I'm going to tell you how to turn the heater on. So there's this button here. You turn it on, keep on clicking. You have to keep on clicking until you get blue flame in there. Until you get blue flame, and when blue flame gets reddish, then the heater is ready to light up. So the heater is on now, it's working now. So if you like the video, can you please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.